I'm just gonna talk about you like you're not here for a second,
Oh,
okay?
that's okay.
All right.
That's okay.
So if you look at the calluses here, you can see that these are all like individual little lesions. These are actually warts up here, but these are calluses. This is a wart, but these are all warts up here. And we tried everything to get rid of those, and nothing worked. And they're not spreading, so we're just gonna leave them alone, and they're gonna do what they do. They actually, there's fewer of them right now than last time I saw you.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I don't know why, but, because we're not doing anything for them.
No,
But we're just
no.
gonna trim the calluses that aren't warts. And we decided that if those warts spread, we would treat them again, try to find something. And if they don't spread, then we're just gonna leave them alone. Because we probably spent, what, about 3 years trying to get rid of them?
And how many different things.
Yeah, we did freezing, we did acid, we did laser, we
Mhm.
did the injections of the stuff that hurt. We did needling. Yeah, so we kind of tried most of what there was to try. Okay, and this is just callus. And this is just callus. We don't often see calluses that grow outward like that, but I can see why that would be pretty painful to walk on. The rest of those we're gonna leave, and then just one over here. All right, well, everything else looks really good.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you.
My pleasure. I'll feel a lot better in your shoes, I think, and you won't
Yes.
be ripping your socks now. Thank you for letting us do the video too.
Well, it's just by chance that Brenna got that job.
Your granddaughter has been a joy to have here doing my filming, except for today.
Well, I think she's really enjoyed it.
Good.
You know, that,
Yeah, she's seen a couple things that have kind of grossed her out,
Yeah.
but other than that, yeah, she's been fun to have.
yeah.